Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of problem. Instagram music isn't available in your region. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you are facing this type of problem, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile, then tap on three lines here, and then tap on settings, and then tap on account. And then let me tell you that firstly you have to make your account to professional. Just simply tap on continue. From here your account will be turned into professional account, and then you have to check that your problem is fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply again tap on sharing to other apps, and you have to link your account to one app from here, Facebook or WhatsApp or Twitter, and after that check whether a problem has been fixed or not. And if your account is old, then what you have to do is just simply tap on this and tap on settings, and then tap on help, then tap on report a problem, and you have to tell the Instagram team that you are facing this problem and your account is old, and they will fix your problem. So just simply report a problem to Instagram team, and what you have to do is just simply tap on this one you can see here. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. So you have to tap on gallery. Firstly, let me tell you that you have to take a screenshot of your problem, and then you have to tap on gallery, and then you have to select your screenshot of your problem, then tap on submit, and your request will be submitted and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today video. If it was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.